Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Cloudy Gaming. And today I will be doing part 2 of the microwave house in Bloxburg. So if you guys haven't seen part 1, I basically built the house or the microwave and did the first floor. And in that video, we ended off while I was doing the second floor. But I was thinking I should add some stuff to the first floor, like a little laundry area and all that. So I think I know how to get that stuff, so I'm just going to search up laundry and see what pops up. Alright, yes, these are what pop up. So we'll definitely need a basket and detergent. Alright, so then we'll do a dryer. And a washer. Perfect. Okay. And I think I'm also going to grab a counter to put in between. This one looks good. Alright. Alright, guys. Let's start assembling this. So we have all the pieces, so now we're just going to assemble them together. I think I'm going to leave some room just in case I want to add more things. Okay, I'm going to place the counter first. There we go. Grab the detergent. All right. Okay, guys, what else do we need to put here? Okay, now we need like cleaning supplies. All right, anyway. So I think they have something called maintenance and decorations. Yeah, maintenance. Here we go. Yeah, that says almost everything we need. Okay, so we need a sponge. I'm just gonna rotate it. All right. A mop. A broom. And now all we need is a vacuum if they have one. Oh. Hmm. I don't think the vacuum's in build. I have no idea what they call it in Bloxburg. Alright, we're just not gonna have one. It's fine. Okay, there we go. Alright, the laundry slash maintenance area has been made. I'm gonna put these over here by the steps. Like that. And then bring this one down. Like that. Alright. Okay, I think we're done with the first floor unless we can't fit something on the second floor that we need. Alright. So now we are on our second floor. I think... Okay, I'm gonna start putting up some walls. Okay, so I think the bathroom could be like a 3x3. And then my room could be like that big. I mean, all I need is a bed and probably a TV. Oh, guys, we need railings. Oh my god, I forgot about railings. Ah. Okay. Railings. Okay, I think we're gonna use the sleek glass one because I really like this one. Okay, yeah. And then we just put some around the stairs like this. Yes, I think that's okay. Wait, I kind of do want a desk, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough room. Okay, I might have to put a desk down here then. Y'all, yesterday I learned how to make a Stanley on Bloxburg, and it is so hard, and you can't even move it. So I will never be doing that again. But it annoyed me. It annoyed me very much. It annoyed me so freaking badly. That is way too big. What if we did like this hairpin desk? Or we could do a pipe desk, an industrial desk. I think the traditional desk is good. No, it's too small. Okay, I think we can do maybe this desk. No, it's too tiny. Okay, let's just do this industrial desk then. I mean, all we need on it is a PC, so. Okay, go to electronics. Okay. So we're gonna pop one of these monitors on it, like that. And I just realized we need a chair. We'll grab a chair in a minute. And I have a camera on here for videos. Actually, I'm gonna pop the camera under here, because this is actually, my desk is somewhat like this in real life. Okay, I'm also gonna have a little phone. I'm gonna have the one that's closest to an iPhone. Oh, there's the vacuum. It's called Dust Destroyer Vacuum. Oh my god, okay. Must it say that? Okay, whatever. Now, where do I place it is the question. Oh, I can place it right there. Alright, there we go. I do have it. I knew it. Okay, whatever. Alright, pop a phone up. There we go. Okay, do we have any other electronics that we'd want? I kind of want to do cameras, but I don't want to do cameras. I'm not going to. Okay, I think that's it. Let's just grab a chair, and then we're done with the desk. Chair. We're just gonna do this comfort office chair. This looks so freaking comfortable though. Okay, like that. All right. We're doing good. We're doing good somewhat. Okay. So I put my desk down there instead of up here. Okay, so now I think we can start doing the flooring. I'm gonna redo the flooring on this side because I have to give some stuff its own flooring, and that's gonna get annoying fast. Wait, I have an idea. Why don't I just add my wall on to the bathroom? So my room can just be a part of the bathroom here. No, we messed up. Guys, we messed up again. Oh my god, okay. And then we'll go up, and then we do 2. And that's where I'll put a window. And then that's gonna be our room. Oh. Not that. And that's the setup of our room. So the bathroom you can access 2 ways. I'll put a door here and a door here. In my bedroom you can also ask 2 ways. Access. I'll put a door here and a door here. So you can access the room 2 times, and you can also access the bathroom. Alright. So, first I'm going to start with the flooring, because we need to change up the flooring. Not saying the flooring's bad, but To give each room its own flooring so I can color each room accordingly. Alright. Alright, we might have to do it in a couple different ways. No, that's going into my room. Okay, there's one. And then these ones might be able to go together. No, to go together. Okay, there we go. Alright, now each room has its own flooring. I'm just gonna give the top flooring. Same thing I did down here. And I think I'll also give my room that flooring. Because I think that's honestly easiest to do. The walls could all be seashell, and yeah. In my room, the walls probably won't be seashell. I mean, who knows? Alright, what color? Alright, let me figure out material. I might want to do, like, wood, maybe? No. This, no. I might do this for the bathroom. I might take this design for the bathroom, or I could use classic tiles. Oh, wait, I actually kind of like that. Maybe as the color red. I'm kidding. It has to be like some brown. Oh, I kind of like pine cone. I really actually like that. Okay. The walls are gonna be seashell, yeah, seashell. What color should I do in my room? Oh, I have to delete this wall and remake it. No. No, the LEDs are on the roof. Okay. Alright, y'all, we have to delete this wall too and remake it. I'm mad now. Copy this wall. Alright, give everything its own. There we go. Okay. Maybe not seashell. I could do like a blue, like a light pink. Kind of like that. It's kind of aesthetic. It's aesthetically pleasing. Me just... Y'all, I'm dumb. I was supposed to whip the window on the side. Why did I do this? Why? Okay, whatever. I'll just give my room a double door. No, I'm kidding. I don't know what I'll do. I love these funky colors. The funky colors are just, like, fun to me. I don't know why. The funky colors are just, like, fun to me. Okay, I might just do, like, pink. Like, this light pink. I kind of like that. I might just do that, to be honest. We can even do... Oh, okay, I like the purple. Alright, we're gonna do purple. The inside. I'm gonna start decorating after I get the rest of the walls painted. Okay. Here we go. Alright, there we go. All my walls are painted. And I have to get the bathroom's walls. Okay, bathroom walls. I might just do a classic and go white. Or even like a beige. I kind of like the buttermilk. You can even go like lighter. You could go khaki. Kind of like khaki. No, guys, I totally like Callie. Wait, none of y'all know who Callie... What am I saying? None of y'all know who Callie is. Like, what the hell? Me just now realizing that? Okay, anyway. Alright. I'm just gonna pop this wall up here, because we had to redo this wall too. And the light is on the roof. But I'm not gonna lie, this kid. No, I'm not gonna tell you guys this actually, because I might get some hate, and I just don't feel like that today. Okay, I'm gonna see like the tiles we can use, because I might just put like bathroom tiles, acoustic ceiling tiles on the floor. Yes, that'd be so slay. Okay, not really liking what we have to work with. Regular tile could work. I'm not saying it couldn't. Large mosaic tiles, that might work for a shower, but definitely not a bathroom. Okay, there's rubber ones I can put in a play center. Okay. Broken tiles, y'all. Ooh, dotted tiles? Wait, why do I actually really like those? Okay. We might just do these. And then pop some rugs down. Okay, yeah, I think we could do this and then pop some rugs down. So I have to keep in mind we want a door here and we want a door here. Keep that in mind. Okay, I'm just gonna color all the outer walls really quick. And the rest, no. Oh, no, we'll do. Oh god. Okay, why is there so much? Why is there so much? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start on the bathroom, I think, first. So I think bathrooms are easiest to do and just, get out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna do a sink with a toothbrush and toothpaste. So we'll do a sink. Sink, which sink? I think we can do this one with like a toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, y'all, so apparently there isn't any toothpaste, but I used toothpaste in the past. I don't know what it's called, though. Wait, it might be in here. Toothpaste might be in here. Hold on, y'all, I'm looking. Let's see it. Okay. Oh, bathroom. Oh, bathroom products. Okay. It's in bathroom products. Okay, that's fun. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna put a little rug there if I can find a cute rug. I might have to resize the rug though. Rug. Carpet? Okay, carpet. No. Wait, are carpet and all that in... Hold on, y'all. But they don't have rugs. Oh, dude, that is actually really cute. Okay, I might just go simple and circle, though. I'm obviously going to resize this because it's way too big. Okay, you know what? Since we did... I think that's cute. Okay. Now let's get a toilet and then shower. I think I made it a little bit too big. Okay, that just means we can get a big shower. Okay, I might put the shower here. And then put the toilet on this side. Oh my god, wait. Let me play. Okay, thank you. Okay. Y'alls, I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna move the sink over. And then put the toilet here. Okay, we need toilet paper. Oh yes, that's good. Yes, perfect. So, alright, now we just need a shower. Shower. Okay, we can get a nice shower, I think. Okay, let's see if we can get a fancy shower. Do we have enough room for a fancy shower, though? Okay, the question is, do we have enough room? Like, we could get this, to be honest. Because this one kind of looks cool. Oh, luxury shower. Wait, guys, I just thought of something. Hold on. What if I just did the luxury shower set and put a wall around it? And put, like, a shower door. Oh my god, wait, I actually really like that. We just did the luxury shower set, right? Come on. We get a wall. And we place a wall with curtains. Oh my god. Wait, that'd actually be really cute. Hold on. Okay. Okay, that's gonna be... Okay, that is a tiny shower, though. That's kind of a tiny shower. Not to lie. Okay, that... But you do have a place to, like, stand and shower. So, I mean... Okay, let's just get our door and see how it looks. Okay, let's get a classic door. Let's get, like, a frame. No, let's get a frame, and then we can put curtains on it. I want to move the freaking shower set. There we go. Alright, that's better. I like that better. Okay. Now let me see if I can get a curtain. Because if I can, I can put it on the door. And that'd be nice for me. Oh, yes. Okay, I can. I can just get these plain curtains. I think these could work. Are these... Okay, no, they work perfectly, actually. No, it's clipping. No. We cannot be having this happen today. Okay. So we know what we're going to do. It's just clipping into my freaking room. So we're just going to move the sink over with this little rug. Delete the walls. Move the shower thing over. And now place the walls. Wall, where's the wall? There's the wall. Okay. Nope. I'll tell you something right now. I'd rather burn my whole life down. Screaming with my dress unbuttoned. Screaming my daddy, I love my baby. But you should see your face. Come with my dress unbuttoned. Screaming my daddy, I love my baby. No, but you should see your face. Going on my senses. Baby, moonlight, but you should see your face. Come with my dress unbuttoned. Screaming, daddy, I love him. Baby, moonlight, but you should see your face. Screaming, daddy, I love him. Baby, moonlight, but you should see your face. In my whole world, I hate you. And I'm just wondering, that works. Just color them like better blue. Color the door frame white. Color the wall buttermilk, and then we're good. And then we just work on my room, guys, and then this house is finished. Okay. Alright, there we go. So Slay! Okay, we're done with our bathroom. We just have to add its entrances. Okay, let me look for a good door to use. No, imagine I just use this. It's like, no, too fancy for a bathroom. Okay, let's just use, where to go? Y'all, I lost it. Okay, let's just use this elegant door. Or no, we can do a double thing. We do 2 elegant doors, maybe? Just do 2 elegant doors. Elegant glass door. Okay, there's a wardrobe. There's a wardrobe door. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm actually gonna cry right now. Oh my god, I wish the bathroom was a wardrobe. I wish I had enough room for a wardrobe. I would have made one. Oh my god, I did not know this. They added that. Okay, I'm mad now. Actually, wait, why does that actually kind of work for the bathroom? No, y'all, I'm kidding. That does not work for the bathroom. So weird. Do that. Come on, oh wait, we can just put. Okay, yeah, we can just put this door. All right, I know what door we're gonna put. We're gonna put this double arch panel. Yeah. And then over here, we're gonna put the mini arch panel. The normal arch panel, like that. Okay, there we go. And then we're just gonna make it match my room, so we'll do white and then white. And then a very, very light purple. Oh. Purple, and then all this white on sorry, y'all. I've been singing through like this entire video, and I'm getting really mad at myself now. Anyway, so I know half of the songs I was just singing are literally copyrighted, but anyway. Wait, what the? Oh. Dude, it's at the top. What are you trying to do here? Are you trying to scam me? How dare you? Okay, fine. We'll do black then. Good grief. Anyway. Okay, so if my room... Okay, let's figure out my room entrances last, probably. I mean, I'm going to put one here and here. I'm just going to take the same door I used for the bathroom and put it over here because it matches nice with the seashell thing. And then I'm going to put another door here. I might just put, like, the normal... this door. I might just do that door there. Come on, no dreams, actually, Oh, I'm starting to have second thoughts. Okay, I think I might just put a door there and that's it. Alright. We'll try just a door there because then I have some... Actually, no. Maybe we could put the door... Yo, actually, maybe we can put the door here and put my bed there instead. Hold on, let me see if my bed could fit in this area I have designed. Let me get a bed. Yo, do you hear that? There's a thunderstorm happening outside my house. That's fun. Alright, anyway. Maybe we do the fancy single bed. I think that one's kind of cute. Maybe let's go with this, but then I flip. Wait, y'all, wait a minute. That actually fits almost literally perfectly. Well, like, can we make it straight? If we make it straight, is it gonna fit? Oh, y'all, it might fit if we make it straight. Oh my god, if that works, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh my god, I cannot make it straight, y'all. I can't make it straight. Dude, if we do this, I might just move my desk up here instead. Okay, we're almost there. Come on. Guys, do you see this right now? Oh my god, it fits literally perfectly. It fits perfectly. Okay, I'm really happy now. Alright, we're gonna do a light purple. Oh, that's really light. Okay. White here. What is this? Oh, this is the frame. Okay, maybe we'll do like seashell for the frame. Because I think seashell's kind of cute. And then, what is this? Oh, okay, that's this thing. Y'all, ooh, should we do white? Guys, this thunderstorm. Oh my god, okay. I just got a little bit scared there. Alright. Oh my god, guys, this thunderstorm is actually kind of scaring me. No joke, this thunderstorm is actually scaring me, y'all. Okay, guys. We have the room, so I am gonna copy the desk from downstairs and just delete it from downstairs, but first I'm gonna copy it and just put it up there. Yo, can you guys hear that? Yo, why is it scaring me so freaking badly? Okay, so I can just prop my desk here, and then I still have a walkway to go to the bathroom and to enter my room. Okay, I just have to go get the chair, and then we're good. Okay, I'm just gonna grab it, actually, from here. I'm just gonna grab it. Like, yoink. Okay. Guys, I think we have officially finished the microwave house. Yes, I do want to sell this on for $8,000. Almost $8,000. Okay, guys, I am happy to announce we finished it. Okay, I'm really happy now. Because, guys, we have officially finished it. I keep moving the store. Let me place the door. Okay, there we go. Okay. Guys, we finished it. So, I'm going to do the rest of the decorating off camera. Because all I have to do is decals and change the color of the LEDs. So, I'll be doing that off camera. And I'll see you in a second. Alright, guys. And we have officially finished our microwave house. So, let's give you a little tour, shall we? So, here's the front of the microwave house. We have the back. We don't question why the numbers are all different fonts. I couldn't find anything, okay? Don't blame me. So we have all the numbers, that little thing. Don't ask why it's not straight. Bloxburg won't let me make it straight, so that's fun. Anyway, so over here we have the kitchen with our cooktop, microwave, and oven. I forgot what that was called for a minute. What is clipping? What the hell is... Okay, we're just gonna hope those are lights. Alright, anyway. On this revolving thing that are normally in microwaves, we have the little lounging area, the dining table, the maintenance area. Now, if our stairs actually work, we come up here. Here's the second floor. We'll just go through my room first. There we go. This is my room. We have my desk and my bed. And over here's the bathroom. Oh, okay, I just crashed into a wall. Anyway, we have the toilet, the sink, and the shower, which has curtains to close it. And yeah, I guess that's basically the entire microwave house. So, that's the end of this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications, and I'll see you guys next time on Cloudy Gaming. Bye!